Are you looking for the best dovetail jigs in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best dovetail jigs that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Porter Cable Dovetail Jig. Use this right out of the box. Its single-piece steel-based design ensures that there is no need for lengthy and rigorous assembly. You can use it to clamp wood stock with measurements from 1/4 inch to 1-1 divided by 8 inches in thickness. It has a solid base and durable construction that makes this a sterling choice for more demanding woodworking needs. Attach stock with ease through its cam-type clamps that are made from heavy-duty materials. The locking bars have sandpaper backing so that it grips the wood better. There are 3 templates included in your purchase. Setting up the templates is easy, thanks to the template alignment lines. The 3 templates that come with this unit are template 4211 for rabbited half-blind, and sliding dovetails, template 4213 for through dovetails and box joints, and template 4215 for half-blind dovetails, miniature through, and miniature box joints. This unit also comes with router bit depth gauges that allow you to set the depth accurately and quickly without taking measurements. This machine is highly durable, thanks to its aluminum build. The packaging also includes a wrench and 2 lock nuts, which come in handy. The templates are also made with aluminum to provide you with superior cutting accuracy. You can use this tool for woodworking, cabinet, and furniture. It also comes with onboard instructions to guide you through the various applications. This tool also comes with a limited 3-year warranty. It features a single-piece, highly durable steel-based design, and you can clamp or bolt the unit to a bench to give you more stability when cutting. This dovetail jig also comes with other accessories to provide you with seamless and quick cutting sessions. Up next in the 4th place is the Rockler Complete Dovetail Jig. Versatility is one of the strongest suits of this dovetail jig. What makes this different from all others is its phenolic templates made from durable materials. Aside from the templates, your purchase includes 3 8mm shank router bits, a collet adapter, guide bushing, and an instruction booklet. It weighs 24 pounds, which might be a bit heavy for some, but if you are looking for more weight so the dovetail is more stable, this should be an ideal choice. The manufacturers of this dovetail jig designed it for the most common joint cutting tasks, which means you can use it to perform a wide range of tasks. You can use this tool to cut stock that is 11 inches or less in width and from 0.5 to 0.75 inches thick when cutting through joints or half-blind. This is also a great option for those that do not need to cut unusual dovetail joints or oversized wood pieces. One of the major reasons why users love this unit is that it is very easy and quick to set up. It is also very easy to use. It comes with preset stop positions for the possible sizes of stock you are likely to cut. This unit is on the higher end of the price spectrum, but it is a great value for money. It is one of the best dovetail jigs on the market, and it comes with several great features to enhance your woodworking skills. The clamping bars of this machine are made with an abrasive surface that holds stock better. This dovetail jig is not as versatile as the Porter Cable, as it comes with only 1 template, and this limits your cutting to only through and half-blind dovetail joints. The 3rd product on our list is the Leigh Super 12-inch Dovetail Jig. Never produce poorly made joints ever again. This versatile and accommodating dovetail jig is capable of holding up to 12 inches of wood. This dovetail jig has variable spacing and it can accommodate making half-blind dovetails. The one-piece fingers are completely adjustable. If there is a joint pattern you want to accomplish, you can easily do so with its easy positioning system. You can get the depth cut you prefer and use different bits. You can choose from the included half-blind bits and opt for the depth you prefer for your specific project. What makes this dovetail jig stand out from the rest is its Leigh bush, a revolutionary system that is unique to this machine. You can make adjustments with the utmost precision. You can use this tool to make almost any type of dovetail joints, thanks to its versatility. Not only does this unit accept stocks up to 12 inches wide, but it also comes with 3 different router bits for you to cut them. This machine is dubbed one of the most versatile dovetail jigs out there because of its infinitely adjustable one-piece fingers. With this tool, you can make box joints and simple sliding joints with minimal effort. This is the #1 choice of many woodworkers because it does not limit them to 1 depth or 1 bit cut. This feature alone makes this unit a great addition to the toolbox of any woodworker. It also comes with some clamps. The clamps are easy to use and they help to create more stability to increase your cutting precision. This dovetail jig is also pricey, but it is worth investing in. The package also includes 1/2 inches, 8mm collet reducer, sliding dovetail fence, an illustrated user manual, half-blind bridge piece, and an instructional DVD. Second on our list is the Porter Cable 4212 to 12-inch Deluxe Dovetail Jig. If you get this dovetail jig, you will get a 4211 template to make your half-blind, sliding, and rabbited half-blind jigs. It also includes a 4213 to create box joints and through dovetails. You can set up the alignments with ease thanks to its template alignment lines. You can tweak the setup and the depth to correspond to your specific needs. This comes with detailed instructions on how to use it, so even newbies will be able to get started in using this without a lot of work and assembly. It is a durable tool that you can rely on for different projects and subject to a lot of wear and tear without issues. This would be a great addition to your workshop, and it is one of the most affordable options on our list. It features a great construction with a single-piece, durable steel base. You can clamp or bolt this machine to your workbench, making it more convenient to use. This unit can handle stocks that are between 0.25 to 1.125 inches in thickness. This unit is also very quick and easy to set up, thanks to its router bit depth gauges and template alignment aids. With the depth gauges, you no longer need to make measurements, which means increased speed in your projects. This tool comes with 2 CNC machined aluminum templates. Template 4213 is for box joints and through dovetails, while template 4211 is for rabbited half-blind, and sliding dovetails. The Porter Cable 4212 also comes with a non-sliding clamp surface that stops the wood from moving when making cuts. It also features onboard instructions to guide you through the various applications. Finally, the top product on our list is the General Tools Woodworking Dovetail Jig. The last dovetail jig on this guide is the General Tools 861 Portable Aluminum Dovetail Jig. This is a 12 inches dovetail jig that is ideal for furniture building, woodworking, and cabinet making. It also comes with router bits to make this process easier. If you are looking for a budget-friendly dovetail jig that can make precise joints, or you are a novice, this tool is made for you. It comes with single-piece aluminum construction with high resistance to corrosion. This helps to extend the service life of this machine. We also love the fact that this tool comes with a 1/2 inches 14-degree router bit that you can use with a table or hand router. This tool can handle the basic through and half-blind dovetail joints. Rather than steel, this unit comes with aluminum construction. Another fascinating feature of this dovetail jig is its self-aligning feature. This feature really comes in handy, especially for beginners. This feature helps to eliminate worries about messing up with the wood as long as you follow the outline with your router. Compared to other dovetail jigs within this range, this tool is more lightweight. This makes it much easier for beginners to use. It is also very portable, and you can transport it with ease. The General Tools 861 is ready for use right out of the box. It can handle boards of any width, and you can easily adjust the interference of the dovetail to create tight or loose joints. With the integrated clamps of this unit, you can clamp it securely to your workbench. This would provide you with a more sturdy and stable device when making cuts. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.